Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a charged device above 20% and access to settings. First, inspect battery health and peak capacity to know if replacement is needed. Then, close high drain apps and disable location and Bluetooth if unused, because these services chew power when active. Finally, reduce screen brightness and set a quick auto lock. This immediately slows drain. Once done, let the device idle for 5 minutes and monitor the baseline discharge rate so you can compare later. Now you handle deeper fixes that actually change how the device uses power. Update the operating system and apps to remove known wake locks and efficiency bugs. Updates often fix runaway processes. Then, restrict background app refresh selectively. Keep messaging but block heavy streaming apps. Also, favor Wi-Fi instead of cellular data since radios use less power on Wi-Fi. Make sure to turn off push for low-priority accounts and sync manually, because syncing constantly drains the battery over time. Finish with conservative settings and maintenance. Enable power-saving mode and set charge limits around 80% when possible to prolong battery life. If readings seem off, calibrate by charging to 100% then discharging to near zero once. This helps the system estimate capacity. Finally, if you still see rapid decline, inspect battery usage charts to identify rogue apps and uninstall or reset them. If the drain persists after removing offenders, consider battery replacement. A failing cell is often the underlying cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.